If you are having Fiverr account, so you will have Fiverr tutorials. So you can see different methods and strategies with ClickBank and other affiliate systems. So there are multiple ways to make money online, and you can watch these videos to have more money online with that. So you can simply hit the subscribe button to notify from our latest updates and videos, and also turn on the bell notification so that we upload a video you will be notified of that. In that case, you can use for your benefit those video, and you can generate some extra cash from that. So let's jump into the main website. The main website is called NetTranscript. So NetTranscript is an online worldwide website that you can register by transcribing some audio and video files. So you will just have for $10 per hour or something like that. So this is the main page that you can easily go with this and sign up with this, and then you can make money online with that. So actually, what exactly is the NetTranscript? So NetTranscript is a company that offers transcription and translation services to law enforcement agencies, government agencies, medical seminars, financial conferences, and general business companies. They have been in business since 1988 and are a licensed GSA contract holder. They have been rated in past years as one of the top 100 companies in Arizona. NetTranscript has both the law enforcement transcribers and the general transcribers for everything that would not fall under the category of law enforcement. While NetTranscript does offer transcript and at least 11 other languages, all work is guaranteed with a 98.8% accuracy, and they accept all major audio video files to transcribe easily. And they are having, for example, if the client or the person needs to transcribe his audio or video format, so they can transcribe here with NetTranscript. And there will be people like me and you are coming to make money online, so they will create an account here and they can do like that. So it's simply you can just sign up with this website. So it is a proven trusted way that you can make money online with this system and this website that you will have. For example, they say we specialize in transcripts of single speaker recordings, dictated offers, reports, narratives, and supplements. Multi-speaker recordings means if in video or audio is multi-speaking, so you will also transcribe or just rewrite the words or something like that. So simply the method is very easy. So how it works, it is simple, means people or the person is sending you this recording, which will be audio or video. So then you can do the typing for that. Once you type each and everything what it is spoken in the audio or video, then you can retrieve TranscribeMe, send the transcript to that. So once this you send to them, and they can check that, and then they will approve and pay you the money. So if it is any work, for example, so you will just receive the money for that. So actually and they also said we accept all major audio and video files, for example, digital audio files, digital video file, DVDs, audio CDs, cassette types, micro cassette types, jail call recordings of officer warrant video for the record or something like that. These are the formats. Proprietary players are there. So any format means the client can send, and you can just do it for them, and you will be paid for $10 per hour online. So it is the best way to make money online with this website. It's all accurate, and since 1988 it is offering their services. It means that it is the latest website, and in more time and more of the years, or for example it is almost coming 30 years in this business that they are doing that. So once you sign up with this website and you create some projects, so then you will be fully understand that how it's work and how it's easy. So if you just come to the research of this, I just visit the real ways to earn money online website that they have reviewed this net transcript website they have reviewed, and they have written each and everything online here. So they say that they will pay you transcript, they will pay you around $10 per hour, so that you will be paid. And tech requirements are there. For example, the computer requirements will be gone over after hire. So but it goes without saying, you will be properly need, for example, update computer or laptop, put TIDAL Express IP software, and C list means, so do things which is needed for transcription jobs, so you will have ready for that. And you can have, so if you have those tools, you can easily transcribe, and that will be very easy for you to make money with this website. So what are the hours? For example, the hours are flexible. It depends on you whether you want part-time, full-time, or anytime you want. So you can just go with this website, and you can just handle the time and hours. It depends, totally depends on you. So it is way pretty simple and easy, and they have review each and everything. If you want to, you can also visit to this website if you need more information. So that is very simple and very easy to create such sign up with this website and make